love bugs and love muffins. It's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with another voiceover. And I say back, and I know it's been a minute since I did a voiceover, but I had to come through with the voiceover with this wig, okay? So the unit that I will be rocking today in today's video is by Rpgshow. Shout out to you, Rpgshow, for coming through with the come through per usual. But the come through with this unit was a full lace wig. Okay, girl, so let's get into it. So I wanted to show you guys that it was a full lace wig, right? So I'm trying to do that on the wig stand, which I kind of showed y'all. I think I did pretty good right here on the wig stand. But the problem is, Chrissy don't know how to do hair. Okay, and Chrissy is symmetrically challenged. I don't know if you guys know that, but I'm telling you that. Okay, so your girl can't part. So on top of me not being a stylist, I can't part. But I still want you guys to get the overall look. So, okay, this is like a disclaimer that I know my parting sucked, and I know I had to buy pins all over the place in the back of the wig. I know all these things, okay? But I wanted, the purpose was to show you guys that what this wig could do, okay? So don't judge me. Don't be like, girl, your part was a mess. Don't say none of them things. Okay, you can say some of those things because it's true. But my purpose was to show you what the wig can do. Okay, you can probably style it better than me. But what I'm basically saying is, if you want to, you can wear pigtails with this wig, and this is the unit Glueless. Like right here in this part, it's Glueless, girl. I ain't got no adhesive on it. Anyways, I am gonna put some adhesive on it, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like without adhesive because the wig was wigging, girl. Okay, she was wigging. But anyways, so basically you can part this wig straight down the middle, and I'm gonna do pigtails, and then I'm gonna do space buns, and then I'm gonna try to make it look decent in the back. Now you guys know my kitchen is always a mess. Okay, it still ain't any better. Okay, that's just like one of my flaws in life. Judge me not, girl. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me try these styles, and I'm pretty sure you could do them better. But I mean, it's cute in the front, it's the back that's a mess. Okay, but anyways, carry on, enjoy the video, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow. The unit is named Bucky 004. Child, look at it on the screen because it may not be Bucky. The order number is WD103. The texture is yaki. The length is 20 inches and I have it in a natural hair color, as you guys can see. I have this one in a cap size 1. As you guys know, they offer a cap size 1 and a cap size 2. For this company, I always get the cap size 1, which is more so the small to medium head friendly, but they do also offer the size 2, which is the medium to large head friendly. The construction of this wig is a glueless full lace cap, standard density, and the lace color is a tinted transparent Swiss lace in light brown. Now, you guys saw me show you guys that this is a full cap wig. Now, honey, I struggle with them pigtails and them space buns. Your girl was struggling, okay? I have symmetrical issues, okay? I'm symmetrically challenged. So my parting is never on point, okay? My parting is always crooked. Even when I'm doing Journey's hair, it's crooked. I just can't never get it right. So doing it on myself is even worse. But you guys got the picture. Okay, you got the picture. You can literally style this wig however you want to because it's a full lace wig. So if you wanted to do pigtails like I did, you know, you can give the Harley Quinn. Is it Harley Quinn or Harley Quinn, baby? Harley Quinn. You can do the Harley Quinn style, or you can do like some cute space buns. You can do whatever styles you want to, or even half up, half down. This wig is extremely versatile if you know how to style, honey. And she don't. And I ain't got nobody helping my man, honey. He can't help me style. Okay, so I'm just letting you guys know that you can do more with this unit. Don't do what I did, okay? But you can do some styles. Okay, now as far as shedding and tangling goes with this particular unit, honey, oh girl didn't do any other things. Okay, straight out of the packaging. It is a yaki unit. It is straight, so I didn't expect it to tangle. I didn't expect it to shed. There's no color in this unit, and it did none of the things. It's not to say at some point, oh girl won't. Just a straight out of the packaging, she didn't. Okay, as far as the hairline and all that stuff, you guys know this is Rpgshow. Like, let's be for real. She woke up like this, okay? I didn't bleach it. I didn't do anything but cut the lace and put her on my head. That's it. That's all, which is always the case with this company, okay? And I think that is pretty much it. As far as it being big head friendly, I feel like you need to get whatever cap size you wear, girl. Okay, whatever cap size you wear. If you a cap size 1, you know you a cap size 1. If you a cap size 2, you know you a cap size 2. Don't get a cap size 1 to be like, yeah, don't fit. Get the right size, okay? Because I can only tell you about the head that's on my shoulders, and I am an average cap size. So do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck, y'all. I ain't got none. I don't have a con for this particular unit. I love everything about this wig, so yeah, sorry. As far as the pros are endless. It's super beginner friendly. It's super versatile. You can do whatever style you want. It looks really natural because it's yaki hair. Like, I love the layers. I don't know if you guys peep the layers, but it has butterfly layers as well. Like, honey, the pros are endless. Like, just pick one. Just pick a pro. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. Like, child, we ain't even gotta stay on this topic long. I would definitely recommend this unit. Just go back to the pros if you're wondering why. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below. Once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or something I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous.